How to download Trust Wallet application on your smartphone or tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking to download the Trust Wallet app on your smartphone or tablet, whether you are a beginner or a pro, you can install the official app directly from your device's App Store or Play Store. Launch open Google Play Store or Apple's App Store and in the search bar type in Trust Wallet. Once you search for the app, look for this application from dApps Platform Inc. and tap on the Get or the Install button. Now wait for the download and installation to finish. Once the installation is done, click on Open. And now you have successfully downloaded and installed the Trust Wallet app on your device. You can now go ahead and create a new wallet or sign into your existing wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.